Receiving a Spotify gift card can be exciting, but if you're not sure how to use it, it can feel a little bit frustrating. So maybe you just want to enjoy some Spotify Premium, or maybe you just want to add a balance to your account. Either way, I'm here to make sure that it's easy for you to do. So first, open up the Spotify website or the app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find a redeem option on your account page, enter the code from the gift card and click redeem. If you're using a mobile device, you can also redeem the card directly from the app. So once the code is entered, your Spotify account will instantly have the balance or the premium access. So it's basically as simple as that. So now you're ready to enjoy ad-free music, offline listening, and high quality sound. It's that simple. So if this helped you, check it out. Let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more great tips using Spotify. See you later. Love ya.